Hello everyone and welcome back to day 2 of Breath of Heaven, Mary's Song by Amy Grant. My name is Mandy and I'm really glad you're back. Yesterday was a tougher day. We had a lot to learn in verse 1 and verse 2, and today I'm excited that we are going to learn the chorus and verse 3. Before we get started, remember, I'm left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, you'll find a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so the chorus. Now this is what I love most about the song, Breath of Heaven. Breath is such a cool sign, okay? So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see it, but you're mimicking your lungs going in and out. Breath, okay? Breath. I love to, with my body language, to almost show my heartbeat a little bit in there. Breath. Oh, it's a great sign, okay? Breath. So breath, and then heaven. So heaven, you're rolling your hands, and then you're showing heaven, okay? Breath, or sorry, heaven. This is breath, and this is heaven. Breath of heaven. Okay, so breath of heaven, hold me together. Hold me together. Okay, bring those two fists together, just like with, together. Be forever near me. So be, we learned that yesterday, be forever. So forever, you have your index finger up like this, you go around, then you turn your hand out in that Y position and you push it out, okay? Forever. Forever near me. So taking your dominant hand and bringing it near your non-dominant hand. Near me. And then breath of heaven. Breath of heaven. And again, breath of heaven. Lighten my darkness. So light. Okay? Light my darkness. Pour over me your holiness. So you have two choices here. I really love that holiness coming down from heaven like this. Or you can just do over me. But I just love this, okay? Pour over me your, and then holiness, making an H. Holiness. Sometimes you'll see me go H and then kind of pushing out a Y for the ness. Okay, but you can just do holy. Okay, so holiness, for you are, okay, that's the symbol for are, you don't have to do it, just like you are holy. And then one last, breath of heaven. Okay, let's do that from the top. Breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me, breath of heaven. And then breath of heaven, lighten my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy. And then one last, breath of heaven. Okay, and then it goes into that third verse from there. Third verse. Okay, do you wonder as you watch my face? Okay, so do you, and then wonder, that sign again, okay, your index finger, like, think about it. Do you wonder as you, and then watch, kind of going out from your sight line, a V from your eyes, watch my face, outline the face, okay? And then if a wiser one should have taken my place. And then, so you can do this, like maybe, I don't know, perhaps, maybe, and then a wiser, you're going to take your X position like this, and then it's almost like wonder, but it's at your forehead like this. If a wiser one, a wiser person, remember we outline a person, if a wiser person should take in my place, should have my place. So for place, you're making P's, and you're kind of starting together and then coming around, and your other side of your hands together, okay? Place, place. But I offer all I am. If you have time, I really love the symbolism of a but it is quick in there. You might not have time, but I just love but, you know, like, oh, I have all these fears, but, and then I offer all I am. So for this, we're going to do sacrifice. So for sacrifice, you have S's. And you're like, oh, I'm holding it. It's mine. It's mine. No, I give it. Okay. I hold it, my S's, and then no, I give it. Okay. All I am. So all, and then I am, that sign we learned yesterday, kind of have your hand bent like this. All I am. For the mercy of your plan. So remember, mercy is those middle fingers, those feelings of the mercy of your, and then plan. It's kind of like, these are the steps that are set out, okay, of your plan. And then help me be strong. Help is such a great sign. You take your non-dominant hand here, you have a thumbs up here, and then you lift it up, okay? Help. Help me be strong. Okay, and really you want to be looking to heaven because this is just Mary's prayer. God, help me. Help me be strong. Help me be strong. Help me be, and then just help me. Hey, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful verse. Okay, so let's try that verse 3 together and then we're going to put it all together. Okay, so do you wonder, as you watch my face, that maybe a wiser one should, I don't think I explained that before, but should is that same X finger, should take my place. But I offer all I am for the mercy of your plan. Help me be strong. Help me be, God, just help me. And then it goes back into that chorus. Okay, so let's put that together, guys. Oh, it's a great song. Okay, going back to that chorus. So, breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me, breath of heaven. And then breath of heaven, lighten my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy. And then one last breath of heaven. Okay, and then verse 3. Do you wonder, as you watch my face, that maybe a wiser one should take my place? But I offer all I am for the mercy of your plan. Help me be strong. Help me be, God, just help me. And that's everything we need to learn for this song, guys. So practice as many times as you need to, and then in tomorrow's video, we're gonna put what we learned in tutorial number 1 and tutorial 2 together, and we're gonna walk through the whole song. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the future songs. You can also find us on Facebook, where we chat a little more about day-to-day life. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.